Following the creation of a lattice structure, it is often necessary to remove lattice rods that may be difficult to effectively print or are not suitably structurally sound. This post-processing operation can now be completed automatically in the 2019 release of NX. This saves the designer a considerable amount of manual effort typically used to achieve this. So let's take a look at how this would work in practice. We've got the lattice, as you can see, and I'm going to go into the filter lattice command, and we're going to filter by non-supported or dangling rods. So I select the lattice and then I can preview any issues, and as you can see we have a number of dangling rods in our lattice that we can remove prior to the 3D printing process. And on OK in the command, NX will go through and remove those rods. So there's a good retrospective way of cleaning up your lattice.